Hello friends, this is Bhavin Patel and this is our second video on grammar. Actually, part 2 of Change the Voice, longer sentences and change the voice. Hello students, before beginning this session of Change the Voice for longer English sentences, let me remind you we have already seen change the voice of small basic English sentences. If you have not gone through that video, I am giving a link in description of this video. Please go through it and recap all the points that we need for change the voice of English sentence. Still, we are going to have a small recap over here also. Friends, for change the voice, we must know various forms of verbs according to tenses. As you can see in the picture, if the verb in active sentence is writes, that is simple present, then we make it is or are plus written in passive. Likewise, in simple past, simple future, we have wrote in active and was written in passive. Will write simple future in active, will be written in passive. You can go through the list over there and just focus on modal auxiliary. If there is modal auxiliary in active voice like should write or can write, we make it should be written or can be written in passive. So that is the list of verb patterns as they change according to tenses from active to passive. Then there is change of pronoun case. If I is there as a subject in active sentence, it becomes by me in passive. We is there in active sentence as a subject, it becomes by us in passive. Likewise, there is a list again you can go through, and in the end you will find sometimes him, her, them. Like objective cases, we call them as indirect objects. If they are there in active sentence, we begin our passive sentence with he, she or they accordingly. Another thing that we must know, what is subject? Subject is a doer of the action in active sentence. Subject does the action of in the sentence. Then what is object? Object is a what part of the sentence. We have seen in our last video. What part, who part. So object is almost same as subject, just it receives the action done by subject, or for the object the action is done, or with the object the action is done in the sentence. Sometimes there can be two objects at a time in the sentence. So what to do that time? As we have seen change of pronoun case last point, it is the same about that. Just have a look at the example how there can be two objects at a time. If the sentence is I gave her a pen, there are two objects, her pronoun case and a pen which is a thing, an object. Both are objects. One is pronoun, another is noun. So what will be our answer? She was given a pen by me. We always take person as a subject of passive voice when there are two objects. Now let us move further. We have also seen graphical presentation of small sentences. You can see here as a revision. He writes a letter. If this is a small sentence given us for changing the voice, so we may answer it as a letter is written by him. He is the subject, writes is a verb of simple present tense. A letter is our object in what part. So we answer it, we take a letter first, then we change the verb pattern according to tense. Tense is our simple present tense, is written, and we convert he subject pronoun into by him. Okay, now let us see the construction of longer English sentences. In our previous video we have seen sentences with who and what part. They were very small sentences. Sometimes sentences can be too longer as their increase how, where, when and why types of information in the sentence. Our example is Ganesh wrote a letter excitedly at home in the evening to learn writing skills. So very long sentence because it is stuffed with so many informations like manner, place, time and reason of action. What is the action? That is our verb, wrote, in what part, and about that action all extra information is given over there, and that's why the sentence has become somewhat longer. This is a possible longer sentence stuffed with all kinds of information, and what we are seeing now is actually a possible longer sentence. It is not always that every sentence, every long sentence has all these kinds of informations. Sometimes some information is not necessary, so only whatever is necessary is given. Still the sentence becomes longer. As in the given examples you can see, my friend Ganesh wrote a letter to practice writing skills. Now here you will find who part is there, but it is not one word. There are three words in who part. Then wrote a letter is our what part, and further information is given about why Ganesh wrote a letter to practice writing skills. So only three parts are there in the sentence, who, what and why. Still sentence has become longer. In our next example you will see Ganesh and his friend were writing an invitation letter at home. Now which part is given extra here? Where part, place of the action. In third sentence, Ganesh has written a letter of appreciation gladly. In this sentence you will find the manner of the action. Extra information is manner in which the action is done. And then last example is Ganesh with his friend will write a letter tomorrow morning. Which part is given extra here? Time of the action, when part is given extra. So in this way sentences can be longer even without small information or little extra information. Let's see it graphically. When there are two objects at a time, we have taken first example. Mahesh asked teacher a difficult question in front of the class. Mahesh asked teacher a difficult question in front of the class. There are two objects. First one, O1 is teacher. A difficult question is second object. So we always take personal pronoun in the beginning while answering as a passive. So our answer is teacher was asked a difficult question by Mahesh in front of the class. You can see properly we have taken first object, that is noun over here, but many times you will find personal pronouns as an extra object. So we have to take that personal pronoun first, as we have seen in our previous lecture, previous example. Now turn to the second sentence, which is a longer sentence, which is main part of our this session. They are selling antique articles in the yearly exhibition at Mumbai. So extra information is given about the place where the action of selling is being done, and this sentence has a verb are selling. So the tense is present continuous, and accordingly we have to use the changed form of verb in passive. So our object, what part is unique articles, selling what? Antique articles, that we are going to take first in passive. So the answer will be antique articles are being sold by them, they become by them, and the extra information remains the same in the yearly exhibition at Mumbai. So we need not to change the place of extra information almost, it remains at the same place. Okay, now move further. Let us see change the voice of such longer sentences. There are 4 examples. First one is, my friend Ganesh wrote a letter to practice writing skills. My friend Ganesh wrote a letter to practice writing skill. Reason is given extra. Why he wrote a letter? To practice writing skills. So our answer will be a letter, as it is object of the sentence. We will take it first in passive. A letter was written to practice writing skill by my friend Ganesh. My friend Ganesh remains the same, just add by my friend Ganesh. Second sentence, Ganesh and his friend were writing an invitation letter at home. Extra information is where they were writing, at home. So the answer will be an invitation letter was being written. Why being is used? Because it is a continuous tense. So in passive of continuous tense we use being. An invitation letter is being written by Ganesh and his friend were at home. That information remains at the same place at the end of the sentence. Third, Ganesh has written a letter of appreciation gladly. Now extra information is just one word, and that is manner, and most of the times adverbs of manner, whenever they come as extra information in the longer sentence, we use them before the main verb, main action of the sentence. So the answer will be a letter of appreciation has been gladly written by Ganesh. We can write this sentence in another way also. What is the second possibility? A letter of appreciation has been written gladly by Ganesh. Now last example, Ganesh with his friend will write a letter tomorrow morning. When part is added here as an extra information. So what will the answer? A letter will be written. Will write is a simple future. It will change into passive as will be written. A letter will be written by Ganesh with his friend tomorrow morning. The extra information remains at the same place. We'll see some more examples for practice. We know practice makes man perfect. So let's be perfect with longer sentences and their change the voice. The company hires a big staff to watch a safety video every year. Extra information is given about reason and time of the action. So our passive answer will be the big staff is hired by the company to watch a safety video every year. Extra information we have kept at the same place. Only main part, who and what, we have exchanged their place and we have changed the verb pattern. Second, the floor crew vacuums and dusts the office every night. Who, what, and when part are given. When part is every night. So our answer will be the office is vacuumed and dusted by the floor crew every night. Third example, the homeowners renovated the house to help it sell. Why information is given? Why part of information to help it sell is given. So answer will be the house was renovated by the house owners to help it sell. Extra information we have kept at the same place. She will not have closed the store by this time of the day. Extra information is when, again when, by this time of the day. So our answer will be the store will not have been closed by her by this time of the day. And last example, when he drives he always uses seat belt for his safety. Now students, look at this sentence. It is not just longer, it has subordinate clause. When he drives is a subordinate clause, adverb clause of time. We'll see in another grammar session clauses and all, but still here for longer sentences concern, just focus on this sentence. It's a very different sentence than what we have seen so far. When he drives he always uses seat belt for his safety. The answer will be subordinate clause remains the same, only we change the main clause part. When he drives, seat belt is always used by him for his safety. He becomes by him. As in the previous sentence, she became by her. So here the answer is when he drives, seat belt is always used by him for his safety. So students, this far you must have understood change the voice completely. Now friends, I am sure that you have understood change the voice concept of English grammar. Either there is a small sentence or a longer sentence. So keep watching my channel for further grammar videos and don't forget to subscribe my channel Abhinav English. Thank you.